A PC with AI technology. I have heard of just about everything. That's actually the unique thing about this one, AI technology. And it's in this computer to improve different things about it that further cater to a more personalized and custom gaming experience to you. This, everyone, is the Lenovo Legion Slim 7i Gen 8. But before we go any further, I do want to issue a big thank you to Lenovo Legion and Intel for not only sending this out for me to check out, but also for sponsoring this video. And for providing a giveaway. So make sure you check out the description down below to find out how you can win a Legion 5i Slim Gen 8 laptop, a backpack, mouse, keyboard, and a headset. All right, the design up here, y'all. This is one thing that I really liked actually with this particular model because it is slim. A lot of times with gaming laptops, sometimes they can be on the heftier side, you know? Beefy, if you will. But this one here, it actually lives up to its name. It's slim, as you can see here from the side. It maintains a nice thin form factor, which makes this even nicer when it comes to traveling with it. It even has these kind of feet at the bottom here, which help elevate it a bit off the desk and keep things nice and cool when intense gaming sessions are underway. But before we dive further into the design, let's appreciate this one small but big thing. You can actually open this super easy with just one finger. I love that, because you know, sometimes you might not be in a position where you can hold it with one hand and open it with the other. This actually opens just fine with a one finger action. Look, we got a whole balance of that going on right now, y'all. But it works. And not only does it work, check this out what the display can do. It can go all the way back. I like that. So yeah, you don't have to worry about breaking anything here. I think it helps add to the, not per se ruggedness, but the flexibility of, you know, viewing angles and such. When we take a look at the display, it does have a matte finish, which makes it really great on reducing glare when I'm gaming or doing things up here. With the color accuracy, the sharpness, and just the overall vibrance of things on this computer, it's not only great for gaming, it then makes it a great contender for other things like content creation. And when you couple that with the fact that this is a 16-inch display with thin bezels, might I add, it makes just everything that you're doing up here that much more immersive. As far as ports go, this was a really unique and nice attention to design here for me, and that's having the ports on the back. So you know how you put this on a table or a desk or something and you have cables just kind of going everywhere, more specifically because things tend to be plugged into the left or the right side of your computer. So cords are kind of like octopus tentacles almost, but in this case, it tried to centralize a bulk of them to the back of the computer, which I think is a very nice touch and attention to detail as it helps reduce the cable clutter on my desk. And you'll also notice when looking at them, let me open the computer up, you'll see that they are backlit. And then along the right-hand side, we have an SD card slot and a little toggle here or a switch that lets you turn off the webcam instantly. Two things that I love to see on a computer. And then on the opposite side, we have a Thunderbolt port as well as a USB-C port and a headphone jack. But I love the finish on this. This is the Storm Gray option, I wanna say. As far as branding goes up here, we can find Lenovo up here in the top left, as well as the bottom right. And then when we open the computer, it's on the bottom right in there as well. Now, I enjoyed gaming up here as well as just getting work done. Okay, all right, y'all, I'm playing, what is this game? Asphalt, I think it is. And I'm trying to win this BMW right here. Like, I wanna be able to drive that car and I have to place, no, I have to place third for that. And I'm placing fifth right now. So we still warming up. The computer is good to go. It's keeping up just fine. It's me. I'm the problem here. You know, I gotta keep up. So yeah, I've been going at it for a little bit. Hopefully this is the one. So here we go. Almost, almost, almost. Let's go. Oh! What? Wait, am I fifth or am I third? I'm fifth. For those of you that are curious about the typing experience, I found it to be pleasant up here. Like, everything was good to go. The keys aren't too clicky, you know, in terms of sound, and they're actually more on the quiet end. And another thing that some of you all might like out there is the fact that there is a numpad along the right-hand side, so do with that as you will. But outside of that, we do have a 1080p webcam up here in the top center, and a speaker setup by Harman Kardon. The speakers are okay, like, they're doable. And the nice thing is you do have a headphone jack up here, so you can always use that if you know, you're not a fan of the speakers. But I like this particular model, not only for its design and its performance, but also for its versatility, because it is powerful enough, not just for when I game, but also for when I need to get other tasks done. All right, now taking it back to what I alluded to earlier, artificial intelligence in here, the AI. So what Lenovo has done is created a chip known as the Lenovo AI chip. And it is something new in the sense that it's the first time we're seeing something like this on a computer and in the market in general, at least that I'm aware of. So what this means for you is that it's going to continuously learn different things about your gaming style and your gaming pattern. And it's going to slightly tweak certain things about the computer to give you the optimal performance and best experience possible. So it's gonna learn you over time to adjust things like the frame rate, increase your max heat threshold, and just boost overall performance in general. There's also Wi-Fi 7 up here, which is, one of the latest forms of Wi-Fi. So this should not only be good for you now, but also later, as it's then offering you top tier hardware to take full advantage of whatever internet speeds that you have for downloading things like games or media. The battery though, this right here, it actually has another thing that I really liked, which was rapid charge, I believe is what it's called, or supercharge. Actually, it's both of the words. It has super rapid charge. This is how that works. With a 10-minute charge, it will take you from 0% to 30%. And with a 30-minute charge, it'll take you from 0% to 70%. To get it fully charged, it only needs about 80 minutes on the charger. The fact that it can get me juiced up to at least 30% in 10 minutes, y'all know time is of the essence, especially when you are doing something of importance to you, whether that be gaming, work, whatever. In that moment when the battery starts trickling down and you're getting close to it being depleted, to know that I can get my computer juiced up quickly and efficiently like that, yeah. That's something nice to be able to lean on. And I forgot to mention, Lenovo states that this has about a 12-hour battery life, but for me, it's gotten me through most of the day off of the charger. That's nice to know though that it has those charge times in reference to how fast, as well as a large battery capacity in general, so you should be good to go with this. But overall, I like what Lenovo did with this one. I feel it's a great computer for what I like to coin as versatile gamers. Like, you don't just game, you game and so much more, or you game and do other things. So this is something that's nice for those of you that want to travel, but still have a computer that's powerful enough to effectively game. And also a beast at multitasking, because I can confidently and comfortably stream content or create content up here. All thanks to that 13th gen Intel Core processor. But if you want to find out more about it, including the current pricing for this, you can definitely check out the link down below in the description box. And FYI, the Legion Slim 5i Gen 8 line is a more affordable option and an alternative to the Slim 7i line. And it still provides power and performance just at a more budget-friendly price point. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. As always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.